In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link in Google Photos. Google Photos is a powerful tool that allows you to easily share your memories with others. With just a few simple steps, you can create shareable links for your photos, videos, or albums. This feature is especially useful when you want to share cherished moments with family or friends without needing to send large files directly. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. To start, open the Google Photos app on your device. You will see the familiar interface filled with your photos and videos. This is your digital library where all your memories are stored. It's important to have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Once the app is open, you will be ready to select the content you want to share. Next, select the photo or video you want to share. You can do this by tapping on the image or video thumbnail. You will see it expand on your screen, allowing you to inspect it closely. This step matters because it ensures you are sharing the correct content. After selecting your item, look for the share icon, which typically looks like an arrow pointing upward. Tap on this icon to proceed. Once you tap the share icon, you will see several options appear. Among these options, tap on Create Link or Copy Link depending on the version of your app. This action initiates the process of generating a shareable link for the selected media. Patience is key here, as Google Photos needs a moment to create the link. When you see the confirmation that the link has been generated, you know you are one step closer to sharing your memory. After the link is created, tap Copy if needed. This step allows you to copy the link to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into a message, email, or even another app to share it. This makes it easy to send your photos or videos to anyone you choose. Remember, anyone with the link can access the shared content, so be mindful of whom you share it with. Now, let's create a link for an album. Start by reopening the Google Photos app. Tap on Collections, then Albums. This area contains all your albums organized neatly. It's a great way to view your memories in groups. After this, open the album you want to share by tapping on it. Once the album is open, tap the share icon again. Just like before, you will have the option to create link or copy link. Choose the appropriate option to generate a shareable link for your albums. This step is crucial because it allows you to share entire collections of memories with just one link, making it convenient for everyone involved. After creating the link, be sure to share the copied link with anyone you want. This could be through a text message, email, or social media. Sharing an album makes it easy for friends and family to view multiple photos at once. It's a simple way to keep everyone in the loop about your experiences. Now let's move to the web version. First, go to photos.google.com and sign into your account. This is where you can manage your photos and albums from a computer. Once logged in, you will see your photos displayed similarly to the app. Select the photo or video you wish to share by clicking on it. After selecting your media, click on the share icon. Just like in the app, you will find the option to create link. Clicking this will generate a link that you can use to share your content. Once the link has been created, make sure to copy it. This link can then be shared through various platforms. Lastly, let's create a link for an album on the web. Go back to photos.google.com, open the album you want to share by clicking on it. Again, click the share icon and then create link. After the link is generated, copy and send it to anyone you want. It's essential to note that anyone with the link can view your photo, video, or album unless you stop sharing or change the sharing settings. You can manage these settings at any time. Creating a link for a single photo or video means you can keep track of your shared content later. Remember, you can stop sharing or revoke access anytime by turning off link sharing. This flexibility allows you to maintain control over your shared memories.